Imagine waking up and discovering the most dangerous thing happening inside your body gave you no warning at all. For years, microscopic injuries quietly accumulate in your arteries. No pain, no symptoms, just silent sabotage. This is chronic inflammation, a slow-burning fire linking many of today's most feared diseases. It builds layer by layer, restricting the flow of life, fueled by daily choices we barely notice. But what if you could see these threats, understand the mechanisms, and learn how to stop them? Today, we reveal 7 silent internal threats that quietly damage your body, and one simple daily habit proven to help reverse the damage. This is a journey into your hidden world, where knowledge empowers you to become the guardian of your own health. Our first threat is everywhere: refined sugar. It's in drinks, snacks, and sauces, flooding your bloodstream with glucose at lightning speed. Your pancreas scrambles to release insulin, but repeated sugar spikes overwhelm your system. This cycle triggers inflammation and a process called glycation, where sugar damages proteins and roughens artery walls. Each tiny injury invites the immune system, sparking more inflammation. Instead of healing, the body is stuck in a loop of low-grade, chronic inflammation. This is how atherosclerosis begins. Arteries harden, all from that innocent spoonful of sugar. The more damage, layer by layer, silently sabotaging your circulatory system. Refined sugar isn't just empty calories, it's an active agent of internal destruction. Most of us never feel it happening until it's too late, but understanding this process is the first step to breaking the cycle. Cut back on sugar and you cut off the fuel for this hidden fire. Your arteries, and your future self, will thank you. Next, we find danger in the kitchen reheated oils. When oils like sunflower or soybean are heated repeatedly, they oxidize, creating free radicals, unstable molecules that damage artery walls. These free radicals act like tiny shards, scratching the endothelium and triggering inflammation. The immune system rushes in, but in this toxic environment, even LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, turning from repair material into toxic plaque. Macrophages engulf this oxidized LDL, forming foam cells, the building blocks of arterial plaque. Instead of healing, the process accelerates artery narrowing and stiffness. Every time you eat food fried in reused oil, you're fueling this silent cumulative damage. The result: chronic inflammation and a slow, steady constriction of your body's lifelines. Avoid reheated oils and choose fresh, stable fats to protect your arteries. Small changes in the kitchen can mean big changes for your long-term health. The damage is silent, but the solution is simple. Choose wisely, and your arteries will stay resilient. Processed meats, bacon, sausages, deli slices, are loaded with nitrates and nitrites for preservation. Inside your body, these chemicals can form nitrosamines, potent pro-inflammatory agents. Nitrosamines trigger oxidative stress, damaging the delicate lining of your blood vessels. The immune system responds, but the constant chemical assault keeps inflammation smoldering. Over time, arteries lose flexibility, blood pressure rises, and plaque forms more easily. The convenience of processed meats hides a long-term biological cost. Each bite adds to a slow, grinding process of vascular damage. Reducing processed meats means less chronic inflammation and a stronger circulatory system. Your arteries deserve better than a steady drip of chemical irritants. Choose fresh, whole foods to break the cycle. The beverage aisle is full of healthy drinks, juices, vitamin waters, iced teas, disguised as wellness. Most are loaded with sugar, often more than soda. Juicing strips away fiber, so sugar hits your bloodstream fast, spiking insulin and fueling inflammation. Liquid sugar is easy to overconsume, delivering a metabolic shock with every glass. The result: glycation, insulin resistance, and a path toward type 2 diabetes. Even drinks with added vitamins are often just sugar delivery systems in disguise. The marketing hides the truth. These drinks quietly undermine your health. Read labels, choose water or unsweetened options, and protect your arteries from this Trojan horse. Don't let a healthy label fool you. What you drink matters as much as what you eat. Refined carbs, white bread, pastries, pasta, rice, are stripped of fiber and nutrients. They digest rapidly, flooding your blood with glucose just like sugar. The pancreas pumps out insulin, leading to energy crashes and cravings. Each spike damages artery walls and promotes chronic inflammation. Over time, this cycle leads to insulin resistance, affecting not just arteries but your brain, liver, and more. These foods are often marketed as low-fat or healthy, but their inflammatory impact is immense. The satisfaction is fleeting, the damage is lasting. Swap refined grains for whole grains to slow sugar absorption and reduce inflammation. Every meal is a chance to choose healing over harm. Don't let convenience cost you your health. Fast food is a perfect storm: refined carbs, reheated oils, processed meats, and sugary drinks, all in one meal. The bun spikes blood sugar, the meat adds nitrates, fries deliver free radicals, and soda floods your system with sugar. This combination triggers an intense inflammatory cascade, overwhelming your body's defenses. The engineered mix of salt, fat, and sugar hijacks your brain's reward system, making you crave more. Regular fast food keeps your body in a state of high-grade inflammation, accelerating arterial damage. The convenience is tempting, but the cost is hidden and cumulative. Occasional indulgence is manageable, but frequent fast food is a recipe for chronic disease. Recognize the synergy of these threats and break the cycle. Choose real whole foods whenever possible. Your arteries will thank you for every meal you skip the drive-thru. Fast food is engineered for addiction, not health. Take back control, one meal at a time. Not all threats are edible. Chronic stress and poor sleep are just as damaging. Constant stress keeps cortisol high, raising blood sugar and blood pressure, fueling inflammation. Even a perfect diet can't offset the harm of relentless stress. Sleep is your body's repair shift. Deep rest calms inflammation, lowers blood pressure, and heals daily damage. Skimping on sleep means your body never gets to recover. Inflammation smolders on. Stress creates damage, and lack of sleep prevents healing. A devastating partnership. It's like scratching a wound and never letting it heal. Prioritize stress management and quality sleep to break this cycle. Mind and body are inseparable. Your arteries feel what you feel. Small changes, like meditation, deep breathing, and a regular sleep schedule, can make a big difference. Protect your health from the inside out. Rest and resilience go hand in hand. Can you reverse this damage? Science says yes, with one simple daily habit. Start each morning with a warm cup of water infused with a natural anti-inflammatory lemon, ginger, turmeric, or green tea. Lemon provides vitamin C and flavonoids to repair blood vessels. Ginger and turmeric deliver powerful compounds that lower inflammation and blood sugar. Green tea's antioxidants protect arteries and reduce plaque formation. This ritual stabilizes blood sugar, delivers healing compounds, and supports your body's natural repair. It's a gentle, profound intervention, an act of self-care that shifts your body from damage to healing. Begin your day with intention, and your body will respond. Small habits, repeated daily, create lasting change. Today, choose to heal. If you're still watching, you care about your future, and that's the first step to longevity. Your health story isn't fixed, it's shaped by daily choices. The body is resilient and can heal if you give it the chance. Our mission to help you live longer and stronger with science-backed guidance. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more. Comment, "I choose health" for a free 7-day inflammation reset checklist. Remember, you're not just aging, you're accumulating damage. But from today, you have the power to reverse it.